What's up, guys? Johnny here, and in today's video, I'm going to go over 4 stocks that you should buy today. Now, it is Martin Luther King Day. The markets are closed on Monday, which would be 1/18. But tomorrow morning, when you wake up, I strongly believe these are 4 companies that you could buy today that some people may or may not even be talking about right now. They are real estate investment trust or companies in the real estate sector. And you all know I love REITs, real estate investment trust, anything real estate, especially when it comes to stocks, because I don't believe in being a landlord. I like making profits without having to deal with the headaches. So let's go ahead and get into it. The first company is Monmouth Real Estate Investment for $17.59 right now currently. For 5 years, they're up 76%, which is amazing. And it's such a nice lower end stock to buy. It's not going to break the bank if you want to load up on a couple hundred shares. Now, this company has a 63% buy rating. And as you can see, it's had some dips in the past, up to 18, down to 14, back up to 17, back down to 12. And it's had some nice plays all the way down to 988 and back up to 17. So you could buy this stock today and then you could sell it as a swing trade short term, in a week, in a month, in a year, or you can hold out for some of the sweet dividends. Now, this is why I love real estate companies, real estate stocks, or REITs, because they have to pay 90% of their dividends to the shareholders, like you and me. So they actually have a 3.87% dividend yield, which is pretty amazing. $1.72 billion market cap, been around since 1968, and this corporation operates mainly with real estate investment trusts, which means it has an ownership and management of real estate, which is exactly what I love about it. It only has about 700,000 volume, which means not too people know about this company, which gives it a great opportunity to buy it now before it goes up. Now, as you can see, 63% of 8 analysts are saying it's a buy, and it has had a steady earnings per share of around 20 cents, which is just fantastic. I think this would be a great stock to buy today, tomorrow, and the next day. So definitely put it on stocks to buy now list. Moving on. Stock number 2. This is going to be 4 stocks total. This is number 2. Wendy's. Now, this is a course, fast food restaurant business, but it is also in the real estate sector and Ohio, which means it's probably based out of Ohio. Now, in 5 years, it's up 123%, which is just fantastic. You could have bought this company for as low as $9, 2016. Now, this company it's been around for a long time, but it hasn't been in the stock market for a very long time. Now, this has 66% buy rating, which is fantastic. They have a dividend yield of 1.3% and a PE ratio of 47, market cap of $4 billion, and they are headquartered in Ohio, been around since 1969. Now, analysts are saying 29 ratings. This means 29 different reports came out for this company, and they all came to terms with the 66% buy rating. Now, again, this company is profitable. Its earnings per share right now, it looks like at about 20 cents as well. And as you can see, I'd bought a couple shares. I'd bought 1 share for $17.34 and actually lost 34 cents in 2018. Interesting. I think I was trying to do some kind of day trade there, which lasted a month. So I don't know, some kind of weird swing trade. But that was so long ago. Moving on, stock 3 of 4, BRT Apartments for $15.27 right now, but it's gone up 154% in 5 years. And as you can see, this crazy dip, it went from $5 all the way up to a high of $18 in February, and then dropped off like crazy to and it's definitely recovered back up $15 here. So it's a great company to get involved with. It engages in ownership, operation, and development of multifamily properties. They have 13 employees, which isn't very many, but their market cap is $258 million, which is just fantastic. Headquartered in New York and founded in 1972. Now, these guys have a 5.76 dividend yield. It just keeps getting better and better. Each stock I give you has a higher dividend yield, and wait till the last one. And if you guys like this, don't forget to hit that like button for me, smash it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because 80% of you watching aren't subscribed. So why not? Go ahead, click the subscribe button. You know you want to watch another video when I post it. So the earnings right now for BRT Property is 28 cents per share, which is fantastic. And I actually own this company briefly in March 2019. Lost a few cents on it as well. I'm not sure what I was doing, but this is a great company. All these companies are great for monthly income, quarterly income. You know, all of them have dividends, which is fantastic. Now, this one is probably the higher risk company, Preferred Apartment Commodities, or APTS. Now, I have had this company in the past in my portfolio. It is down 34% currently over a 5-year period, and it's only $7.86. Now, this is one of the companies that's more high risk, but let me tell you why they're down so much. They pay a 10% dividend yield right now. So the company is going down a little, but they are paying that 10% dividend yield still. Their market cap is $388 million, and they were founded in 2009. Now, this also engages in the acquisition and operations of multifamily properties, which is fantastic because it deals with like multifamily communities, student housing properties, financing new market properties, and preferred office properties, as well as others. This 10% dividend yield is pretty fantastic, but I don't believe it should be as a result for the downtrend. Now, it's gone up 42% in the last 3 months, which took it from $5 to $7. But does that justify it being down 41% for the year? No, it does not. Or 34% for the past 5 years? No, it doesn't either. So this company was as high as $21 at one point. And is this a good company to get involved with? It's possible. I would definitely do your research. But the earnings per share in this company is at 38 cents, about 35 cents per share, which is fantastic. And it looks like I had this company in 2017. So it's been quite a long time, and the shares price were actually at $20.24 when I sold. Don't really quite remember what it was at when I purchased it. But those are the 4 real estate sector stocks, or 4 stocks that I think would be a good buy today, tomorrow, and in the future. They have tremendous potential, and if you want me to do a more in-depth video on any of these stocks, just let me know and I can do that. All right, hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button.